Back. So in our last video, we made these moving animated photos using Leah Pix. So if you haven't checked that one out, click at the link at the top there. All right, so now we're going to 11 Labs, and we're going to create the script for this very, very short story. So I went to ChatGPT, whatever it's called. Um, Create a really short story about Leonardo da Vinci driving his moped in Italy, stopping at a piazza for some gelato. Then a dog comes up and shares his gelato with them. All right, so I copied that. I'm going to paste it into here. Just kidding, I didn't know. Okay, copy that. Yeah, paste it in here. Okay, cool. So we got a dude named Adam. Let's see what it says. All right, to get different voices, we just go here. It doesn't tell us anything about the voices though. Like as far as what they sound like. Oh, Giovanni. Perfect. I'm sure he's Italian. I don't have a generalization, but let's see what happens. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Okay. So, generate that. I'll go ahead and let it generate that, and then I'll download it real quick. Come back. All right, it finished generating that. So it's a minute 22 long. So it might be way too long for what we need. But we will call this the script voice. Alright, so we'll save that into our real story folder. And then on our next video, we're going to go to CapCut to make the whole video. Alright, catch you there.